Naniniwala ba kayo na ang root cause ng cancer is liver fluke, aflatoxin, and isopropyl alcohol? Yes guys, you heard it right. So ang liver fluke is a kind of flatworm that is tumor producing. Aflatoxin is amag sa mani, and isopropyl alcohol much better if ethyl alcohol ang ating gagamitin. So kahit na ho kayo magpopera, radiation, chemo, immunotherapy, so babalik-balikan pa rin ho kayo ng cancer cell. So ang isang cancer cell ho, gagawa yan ng isang tumor cell, dodoble, 2, 4, 16, so on and so forth, until it takes 8 years, and that is the only time wherein we can see a visible tumor cell. Now, unless we remove this tatlong root cause plus the microscopic cancer cell from the 1st year to the 7th year, wala akong kagalingan ang cancer. Babalik at babalik po ito as recurrence and metastasis. So, para ho sa mga may cancer at nagka-cancer, para ho hindi na kayo balik-balikan ng cancer, bisitahin niyo kami sa aming clinic. Meron ho tayong cancer protocol. And this is Dr. Irene Lim. Prevention is better than cure, and health is the best investment.